Games don't pay real money simply because you finish a level. Legitimate payout apps only issue rewards after you meet their earning requirements and successfully complete the redemption process. By the end, you'll know 7 games that continue offering legitimate reward opportunities in 2026, and what you need to do before expecting a payout. The first game is Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play lets users earn points by reaching milestones inside supported mobile games. Once enough points are collected, eligible rewards can be redeemed through the options available in the app. The second is Misplay. Misplay recommends supported Android games and rewards players for spending time and reaching in-game progression milestones. Trying different games often unlocks additional earning opportunities. The third game is Solitaire Cash. Solitaire Cash combines classic solitaire gameplay with skill-based competitions where eligible players can compete according to the platform's rules and availability. Now let's cover 4 more options. The fourth game is Bingo Cash. Bingo Cash offers skill-based bingo matches where eligible users compete against players with similar skill levels. The fifth game is Bubble Cash. Bubble Cash rewards performance in skill-based bubble shooter competitions where available. The sixth game is Pool Payday. Pool Payday focuses on skill-based pool matches and tournaments for eligible players using the platform's supported formats. The seventh game is Blackout Bingo. Blackout Bingo combines traditional bingo mechanics with competitive gameplay where results depend on player performance instead of random matchmaking alone. Here's the part many people overlook. No legitimate game can promise that every player will successfully redeem rewards every single time. Eligibility rules, account verification, regional availability, and compliance with the platform's terms all affect whether a redemption is approved. If a game advertises guaranteed money with no conditions, that's a reason to be cautious. Before spending extra time playing, review the game's redemption requirements, minimum withdrawal rules, and supported payment methods. Keep screenshots of completed milestones and check your reward history if something doesn't track correctly. Following the published rules gives you the best chance of receiving eligible rewards without unnecessary delays. The biggest takeaway is that Rewarded Play, Missed Play, Solitaire Cash, Bingo Cash, Bubble Cash, Pool Payday, and Blackout Bingo all provide legitimate reward opportunities through their own earning systems. Consistent payouts come from meeting each platform's requirements, not simply opening the app and playing for a few minutes. Your next step is to choose one game that matches your favorite style of gameplay, read its reward rules before you begin, and complete your first eligible redemption before installing additional apps. If this guide helped you find games with legitimate earning opportunities, like the video and subscribe for more game reviews, payout guides, and weekly updates.